Hi there, I'm Scotty Strachan. I run a blog called the Geographical Field Scientist. My goal is to get people interested in the natural world around them and to help them understand some of the ways in which we study it. I also want to communicate some of my ideas to fellow scientists in hopes that they find it useful or perhaps just entertaining. Like any good geographer, I'm interested in a lot of different topics and places. If I had to highlight, though, I would say that I find the junction of mountain environments, semi-arid landscapes, and climate history to be the most fascinating. I do a lot of my work in the Great Basin region of North America. We have the darkest skies in the lower 48, the most mountain ranges, and quite a few spots where the phrase shopping mall has never been uttered. Of course, the first step to getting our feet wet in field science is that we have to leave our universities, our cities, our talking heads, and just get out there. And I don't mean typical drive-by geography, where we read the historic markers on the side of the highway while sipping a latte. No, to really understand what is going on out in the natural world, you have to leave the pavement and immerse yourself in it. What are my favorite tools? I use electronic sensors to record conditions of today's weather and climate. I take photographs and record hourly imagery. I use the science of dendrochronology and tree rings to examine trends from the deep past. All of this can be brought together when setting up a systematic study across a landscape. One of the more exciting developments of the digital age has been high-speed wireless data networking. By setting up and maintaining hundreds of kilometers of these field communications networks, I've really been able to transform how data in my study region are gathered. I'll tell you what, young and aspiring scientists in the environmental fields get a lot more excited about the work when they see how to integrate these new tools into the science that they've been learning about in the classroom. Better data, more reliable science, and advanced research are all made possible by modernizing our methods. That's actually just the beginning. When observing natural processes, we need to take the long-term view. Years, decades, and centuries, not hours, minutes, and days. Otherwise, we risk missing the whole enchilada.